Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to customize notifications for threads. I will just tap on it and I will be just move in the right bottom corner option is profile icon, and from here is the top right corner of two lines of settings, and the second option is notifications. So simply just tap on it and here is you will see the push notifications. If you want to pause all, you will just turn it on and you won't get push notifications, but you will be able to see new notifications when you open threads. So you will just select the time for pause, and next is threads and replies. So these each categories is separated and all is notifications. If you don't want from the notification from likes from everyone, you will just select it. If you want to notifications from everyone, you will just select it from here. And if you want to notification from people you follow, you will just tap on it, which is middle. And if you want to turn it off, so you will just simply turn it off. So here is there are many categories of your notification, so you will just turn it off and as you wish you can just customize it. And I will just go back, and here is also a following and followers notifications. So new followers, if you want to turn it off, you will just tap on it simply. So if you accept follow request, here are many the notifications, so you can just turn it off and on by the customization. So last is the from threads. So picked for you, you can just turn it on and off. There are reminder notification, product announcement, follow suggestions, trending now, and here is other notifications type, email notifications. So here is I will just turn it on to get updates on threads you may have missed. So that's all. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.